Bullshit, guys. Hey, thanks for dropping by real quick. I was at Sunrise Records today, and I just happened to come across this. It's a Sunrise exclusive, The Shining. I had no idea this was even out. I saw it, the price agreed with me, so I said, what the hell, might as well just make the purchase. It's a Steelbook Blu-ray of The Shining. All right, so here's the front side, and here's the back. All right, so let's give it a go. Open it up. I do not think that there is digital copy inside. But again, Sunrise exclusive records, Steelbook, $12.99. No idea if there's a let's see what inside it looks like. If there's a background image or no. So let's take out this little J card. Again, J card right here. Don't know if there's any special features that are exclusive to this, but it includes the original movie on Blu-ray, commentary by Steadicam inventor operator Garrett Brown and historian John Baxter, Vivian Kubrick's documentary The Making of The Shining. So I think that might be pretty standard with the DVD. I have no idea. So beautiful cover, actually. Really nice. Stanley Kubrick's The Shining. Ooh, check that bad boy out. A little scary. And here it is. We open it up to reveal the Blu-ray disc. Oops, right there. And it does in fact have an inside image. And there you go, folks. Not bad. Not bad. Let's put this back. And again, I think when we went there, here's the cover again. When I went there, I guess part of the Sunrise exclusives were also the It. They had the It on Steelbook. They had Gremlins on Steelbook. I think The Purge also on Steelbook. And wasn't too interested in those ones. But I have this on DVD somewhere. But hey, why not upgrade? Why not? So this is it, guys. There you go. Again, front, the spine, and the back. Real simple unboxing, just to share with you. Thanks again, guys. Like, subscribe, and happy Halloween 2018.